Hi gentlemen, welcome in another video. In this video I'm gonna show you a new software, AI White Label. This software have a lot of tools like this. If you scroll down here you wanna see a lot of tools. AI tool creator with no code, AI marketing suite, and a lot of here for your business. If you scroll here down you wanna see a lot of tools here and a lot of improvements. Like this man, he have $2K in a month by client who love the tools. If you scroll down here you wanna see a lot of things here. Scroll in here, scroll. You wanna see this man who built hey, he built a $1 million app in 5 hours by using this software. And if you scroll here down you wanna see a lot of things for your business. Click in the link in description to join and for grow. Enjoy in your day.